Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm so excited. Guess where we're going? Our book is taking us to the movies. Yay, I love the movies so much. Do you like going to the movies? This book is called At the Movies by McKinley Baker. At the Movies, McKinley Baker. Boys and girls, today when I'm reading my book, I'm going to be using my finger. You can't see my finger, but you can see where my finger might be. And I'm going to use my finger to point to each word. Where are some words? Oh, I see some words down here. Good job. How many words do you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 words. Now, when I'm reading today, I'm going to use the Pointy Penguin strategy. That means I'm going to point to each word when I'm reading. I'm going to touch it one time right underneath. Right here. Not here, not here, but right underneath. And then I'm going to pick my finger up and touch underneath the next word. Pick my finger up, touch underneath the next word, pick my finger up, underneath the last word. What I don't want to do today is slide my finger. Slide. Instead, we're going to touch, 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 and say the word at the same time while I'm reading. Watch me. This is the theater. This is the poster. This is the money. This is the ticket. Read along with me. When I touch it, say it with me at the same time. Don't go ahead of me too fast. Ready, go. This is the door. This is the snack. This is the popcorn. Keep going, you're doing a great job. Ready, go. This is the drink. Good job. This is the seat. All right, do this one all on your own. Ready, go. Great job. This is the screen. Did you say this is the family? Nice. This is the light. This is the movie. This is the end. Thank you for reading with me today, boys and girls. Remember, when you read books, touch underneath each word one time to be a Pointy Penguin reader. Today we learned these power words: this, is, and the. Thank you for coming with me to the movie theater. See you next time.